Good afternoon. It's the 28th of December. This is our afternoon update. I'm Pat McClatchy. Very interesting day today, coming over a Christmas weekend. We started off the morning with news that the Chinese stock market had a very large loss, a loss of 3%, and that spilled over into all commodities. There were an exception or two, but for the most part, with China's stock market down 3%, you had crude oil down, metals down, grains down. I got to tell you, there was one exception, and it was the cotton market. And for 2 trading days now, last Thursday and today, cotton has shown an unusual amount of strength as it's basically going against the flow here of the rest of the markets. We had the same thing happen today as we did on Thursday of last week. The market last Thursday, I'm looking here, the cotton market rallied 100 points in a very short time and held on to most of the gain late in the day. Today, and this was when we opened at 7 o'clock this morning, the market rallied again 100 points, and that's with everything else selling off. Now, it did not hold on to most of that gain, but it was up today 28 at 63.94 with a high of 64.44, a low of 63.39. Let's look at other markets. Soybeans down 10 3/4 at 862.5. We had a high of 871.5 and a low of 861.25. Corn down 3.5 at 361 with a high of 365.5 and a low of 360.5. March wheat was up most of the day. It closed up 1/4 cent, so very close to unchanged at 467 3/4 with a high of 472.5 and a low of 466. The dollar was down 6. Crude oil down to $1.28 a barrel. Gold down $9.50 an ounce. Silver down 52 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones down 58. And so that's really it for today. Just have to be impressed with cotton and the fact that it's able to rally as it's rallying when typically it would not be able to do that. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If grains and other commodity markets can find a way to hold, it could very well be the cotton market can really start moving. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.